Today is going to be a simple day at home. We're going to clean the oven after all the Christmas baking and cooking, and I'm going to show you how I use my self-cleaning oven, just in case nobody knows how. And we're going to do some simple food at home. So let's get into this day andiamo, amici. Now for breakfast, I'm going to have some leftover panettone with my coffee. A great mix for after Christmas. A simple breakfast at home. Leftover panettone from Christmas and a great cup of coffee. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do first. Should I clean some dishes? Should I clean my oven, have a snack? Right now I'm having an orange for a snack, trying to go healthy. And then we'll probably do some dishes, maybe make some food for dinner, and then we'll clean the oven at the end after dinner. I think that's the best course of action, as my husband's watching bowl games, so I have plenty of time to do what I need to do in the kitchen. I've been taking it pretty slow today, but we're going to make some dinner and we're going to use what we have. We're not making anything new. We have a lot of leftovers from the holidays, so let's see what I can come up with. Well, we've been eating our stuff out of this refrigerator, so what I'm going to take is I'm going to take some ham. What else do I want? I'm going to take probably a few cherry tomatoes, some broccoli. We also have some russet potatoes. Let's make a ham hash. Put broccoli in it, maybe a couple of tomatoes, not too many. Okay, so let's start with the fried potatoes. A nice sizzle going on. The potatoes take the longest to cook, so we're going to start with that. So we have the fried potatoes going. We're going to have a side of broccoli, which I am now steaming. And this is so far where we're at. So I'm waiting for my broccoli to cook. To the potatoes, I'm going to add my ham. And we're going to stir it all around and let the ham heat up. We're going to drizzle olive oil and then salt and pepper here. And salt. And we're going to add the tomatoes as a final touch. Got my next Universal Yums box, and this is focusing on Greek items. And I have a booklet like I did on Italy for Greece. So I've never been to Greece myself. I've always wanted to go, so this could be interesting. So this is one of my subscriptions. So we received almond baklava in this box. We've also received something called kritsinaki. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Looks like breadsticks with oregano and feta flavor. We have also received something that I called Pataki Tahini. Also, we received, this looks like a chocolate item. Always love my chocolate. And let's see, what is this? I always love my chocolate. Serenata Finger. It's milk chocolate with cocoa cream. So that is probably going to be good. I'm not sure about some of these other flavors, but chocolate is chocolate. And these are just garlic, like bagel chips. They call them bread chips. And also a few candies they sent me. I think those are just like bonus. This one says Frugelli. It's a jelly candy. Looks like pomegranates. And this one, I'm not sure what it is till we try it. So now I've done some short tutorial videos on how to operate my oven, but everyone keeps asking how you use the self-cleaning. So I'm going to show you how it works. Here's the panel. Yes, my oven needs cleaned. What you do is you hit self-cleaning. Okay, and then you decide how many hours. And then you click start. And it says locked door. My door isn't locked right now because I'm not self-cleaning my oven right now. You would lock the door and it would start. So if I had made a mistake, I could hit cancel and it would cancel the self-cleaning mode. So in order to do self-cleaning mode, you hit self-cleaning, pick the amount of hours you want it to go, click start. Then down here is the locking feature to lock the oven. Because the oven reaches high temperatures, I think it's like 600 degrees or 600 to 800 degrees, they want you to lock the oven because they don't want anybody opening the oven, and you won't be able to open the oven till the self-cleaning is done and the temperature comes down to a reasonable level. Then you'll be able to unlock the oven. But that is a safety feature on the oven so that nobody opens the oven and burns themselves. So that's how you do it on my GE oven. I'm not sure if all GE ovens are the same. And I hope this helps a lot of people since everybody's been asking on my shorts videos that I have. I figure I'd include it in this vlog. Thanks for coming along for this vlog. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if it resonates with you. Also, I have a tip jar or a donation jar on my description. As I am not monetized yet, it would help the channel do more videos. So if you're so inclined, please click on that link and send it over to PayPal. I would appreciate it. And until next time, ciao amici.